Hi, are you experiencing regression instead of progression? Then this is a channel for you. Are you looking to become successful in life? Most definitely, this is a channel for you. Are you seeking ways to achieve financial freedom and more? Obviously, this is a channel for you. With that being said, first, welcome to my channel. What's good, beautiful people? How you all doing? Hope you're well, hope you're alright, hope you're safe, you're healthy, and you're protected. If you are, that's great to hear. Now, when you hear me say beautiful people, I mean everyone, because in my eyes, everyone is beautiful. No one is ugly, and I don't believe we should use the word ugly on our fellow human beings. I don't think that word should ever exist, because in my eyes, we are all wonderful, God's special, precious creation. So who are we to bully or call other people names? Let alone, who are we to judge others? I mean, the saying goes, don't judge the book by the cover. And last time I checked, we humans don't love to be judged. So if you don't want to be judged, why judge other people? Clearly, it makes no sense. Anyhow, with that being said, I just want to ask you a quick question there. Please, can you please let me know your description or impression of the year or of this year, 2020? How would you describe 2020? 2020 will go down in history as a year to remember, not for the right reason, but definitely for all the wrong reasons. 2020 will go back in history as an unforgettable year. That's what I do believe. It's been a year, in my opinion. 2020 has been a year of chaotic and disastrous year. I can't even wait to fast forward myself to the year probably 2022. I definitely don't want to be stuck in 2020. Heck no, not me, not Mr. Highlife, that's for sure. My video is not all about all the sad stories. I don't want to sadden you anymore than you already are. Rather, I want my video to be all about motivation. I want my video to put smile on our faces. So let's leave our sorrows behind and look forward to the future. That is what I want my video to be. So with that being said, let's jump straight to how we can achieve high life. Definitely, I have to introduce myself to you. So, who am I? My name is Michael Akoro, aka Mr. Highlife. Born in Nigeria, Africa. If you want to go deeper, I'm from the East. So yeah, I am Igbo. And for all the Igbo people out there, Igbo, gosh, I play too much. Apology there. I get carried away. Anyways, so now you know much about me. Well, I'm born in Nigeria, Africa, but living in Dublin, Ireland for the past 13 to 14 years. So yes, now we got to know who am I. I'm your host. Let's go straight to how we can achieve high life. But before we do that, we must first need to know the meaning of high life. What does high life means? What is your opinion about high life? I've asked different individuals, and funny enough, I have different opinions and answer of what they believe high life means to them. I'll just give a quick scenario of three different individuals I spoke. Individual A1 says high life means plenty of beautiful ladies, all the models. That's what high life means to that person. And individual 2 says that plenty of moolah. We can easily be splashing money 24/7 non-stop. That's what high life means to them. Individual 3 says that drowning yourself in alcoholism literally is high life for him. So literally he means having a lot of alcohol, a lot of bottles on bottles. You know yourself. You have the Henny, the JD, the Ciroc, the Vodka, the Moet, the liqueur, and many more. So for that person, that's literally what high life means to them. But if you were to ask me, Mr. High Life, my opinion, high life means progression, succession, financial freedom, happiness, and better life. All these 5 key elements is what makes high life to me. So with that being said, we're going to be talking about how we can achieve those steps in my next further videos. So please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share to your lovely families, friends, and many more. Definitely, our goal here is to accelerate the transition of our life, be it the low life, the middle life, to the high life, which is the better life. So definitely join me on the journey in achieving high life. Well, that will be all. Thank you. You're still here? Gosh, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to walk away like that. I'm actually just joking with you guys, you know. But come on, for you to be here with me all the way to the very end, you guys are the best. You guys are the real MVP. Thanks for spending your precious time with me. But I want this channel to be our channel where we can communicate, socialize, network, get to know each other more, share different opinions and ideology. Constructive criticism are more than welcome. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also share it out with your lovely families and friends. Anything you have above you want to say, make sure you drop it down in the comment section below. So with that being said, thank you so much, beautiful people, and I'll see you on the next one. Hands to the head. Salute. I love you all. High life.